Hello everyone, it's Hanny with Margarete Miller's, I should say, I think, a collage challenge number 29. And here I wrote down the prompts, and the prompts are, the first one, something that uses fuel. Well, I have this piece of paper. I got this a whole bunch from a friend of mine, a Facebook friend of mine, Susanne Samuels. Thank you very much, Susanne. And well, there are two pictures on it with old cars and a plane, and here with an old car. Maybe I could use one of those, but I also have, where are they? Some pieces, well, with the motorcycle and a plane and an old Volkswagen van. So I could use one of those, I guess. The second prompt is a piece of folded paper. Well, I had an idea to just this are magazine papers I collaged before, and they are in my stash, and maybe I could fold one and just write the prompts on there instead of a tag. So I glue that on and then fold it and then decorate. Could do that, or I have here a piece of an envelope. Maybe it's folded too, so could use that. The third prompt is an office supply. Well, I found this pencil, and I have here a book. Well, it's about illustrations, and there are more office supplies in that. Maybe I find one which I can use. And then the fourth prompt, an illustration from a children's book. Well, I have some little pieces. This is from a children's book, and this is from a children's book. These are a few snippets from a children's book, and this is from a children's book. I have plenty, but well, I found these, so maybe I'm going to use those, one of those. A date, I have 2 date stamps. Can use one of those. And the bonus is a sticker. I have here a book, and there are stickers in it. Over here. Not sure if I'm going to use that, because I thought, well, maybe I can use a stamp. I didn't search for that yet, but I have stamps. Oh, I have a butterfly. It's a digital, and I printed on sticker paper, so I could use that too, or stamp. It's a sticker, so that won't be a problem. What I'm going to do is I'm gathering some stuff, more stuff, other stuff, background papers, and I choose some items from the things I already found. And then I'm going to collage this paper. I'm going to speed it up, and I hope you enjoy watching. Bye bye for now.